In this video, I will show you how to reverse any video in Premiere Pro. And before you go any further, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and consider sharing this video with others. So let's get started. In order to reverse the video, you have to just go to the timeline, right click and select the speed and duration. And from here you have the option of reverse speed. Just click on this and press OK. And now if you'll just play it, you can see we have now successfully reversed the video. And if you want to revert back to the original position, just right click and go to again speed and duration, and this time uncheck reverse speed and press OK. And if you play it, now you can see this is the normal. So this is how you can reverse any video in Premiere Pro. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.